Hi, this is Jamie and Preston. He is my little sous chef today, and we're going to be making some homemade ice cream. It's just 3 ingredients that we're going to be doing. So Preston is going to work on using our can opener to open a can of sweetened condensed milk. So while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take some heavy whipping cream. So 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I was a little short, so I put some full fat milk. So just whole milk in there. So I'm going to just cross my fingers that it's going to work okay. So these are our Easy Read measuring cups. They come in a set of 3. You've got 1 cup, 2 cup, and then a 4 cup capacity. They are dishwasher safe, so I really love that. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the 2 cups of milk in there. Now, the one thing that I've learned is if you'll keep your ingredients nice and cold, it makes the ice cream process go a little bit better. So Preston just used the amazing can opener. So what do you love about the can opener, Preston?
The amazing part is when you open it, if it's like that, it doesn't get dirty at all.
That's right. So it's a smooth edge. So what he did was it doesn't cut the metal. It lifts the sticky around the outside. So I love that. Let me go get a spatula, big guy. All right, so when I think Paper Chef quality, this is always what I think of, the mix and scrapers. So this is the small mix and scraper, and it fits perfectly right down in your cans. And then it really doesn't leave any waste. I always kind of pick at it and say it's a child cheater because the kids don't get the brownies and the things that they used to. So I'm just gonna whisk that together. And while I'm doing that, Preston, can you measure out 1 teaspoon, which is, it's already set, is set for that. So measure out 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now the bowl that I'm using is our stainless steel mixing bowl, and it also comes in a set of 3, which is wonderful. They've got a silicone bottom so it doesn't slide all over the place. They have measure marks inside. Whoops, and I'm making a big old mess. And then they come with lids. I'm gonna show you. That's enough, baby? So we'll,
okay, when it spills, you can tell.
That's right. When it spills, you know you've got enough. Woo! There you go, big guy. All right, so we're gonna do that. Now let me show them that in just a second. All right, so Preston, can you do the honors of pouring this into the ice cream maker, the Pampered Chef ice cream maker? So the base, you just keep in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. So this time of year, mine's just gonna stay in there. All right.
I got it, Mom.
Okay.
I can do it. Mom.
I don't have any extra in case you don't. So I'm just going to be your backup. Okay, so we got those 3 ingredients. So again, it was just the heavy cream, a little bit of milk, the vanilla, and then we also added the sweetened condensed milk.
Vanilla.
So you can do all sorts of flavors. I've even done a vegan.
What's vegan mean?
Vegan means dairy free. So there's no meat or meat or dairy products in there. All right, so now we've got that set up. I'm gonna get it plugged in.
Of course, you have to do that because what would it be without it not working?
That's exactly right. So it's gonna take about 20 minutes and then it starts. So it's one of the few, this was one of our first electric items that we had. So the base stays frozen, and I'll just keep it in there, keep it in the freezer, you know, just like I said, around the clock this time of year. Because when you can sit down to dinner and start the ice cream at the same time, it's beautiful because you can have ice cream that's homemade without having the rocks, the salt, the rock salt, you know, all the different things like that. So really excited. Don't shake that. You can add in flavors. So you can add chocolate, you can add strawberries, blueberries, different things like that. You can even make like a slushie with some margarita mix. So word on the street. All right, so we'll be back in a little bit to show you the results of this.
Bye.